Happy Vlogmas.
I got my grandma cookies.
The biggest thing that I feel like I should talk about is... Good morning, guys. Today is so cold in my house. The thermostat is at 67. I'm freezing, but it is starting to snow, which is so exciting. It's like the first snow I've seen. I think it flurried the other day. This is like the first time I'm seeing it. It's still like kind of just flurrying. I have my fuzzy Christmas socks on. Nolan's sitting here drinking his chocolate milk. It's in this little milk cup that I got from Target. It was like a couple dollars. Anyone has a toddler that was like switching either from breast milk or formula to regular milk or almond milk, like my family just drinks almond milk, like we don't have, I guess, like cow milk, but he will not drink almond milk or like cashew milk, oat milk, unless I make it into chocolate milk. So if anyone has any tips on like if I shouldn't be doing that, because he still needs milk, so I don't know what else to do. They're so big, but they look so cute. They're little reindeer. Are they soft? Yeah. What? How's your chocolate milk? Yeah, is it good? Uh-oh. Wow. Oh, really? Also, while I'm talking about how he's a little picky with milk, he's also picky with breakfast. And I feel like I make so much different like breakfast foods, probably because he drinks milk. That fills him up a little bit, but I feel like even before I was giving him like milk right away in the morning, he just wouldn't eat like eggs or pancakes, waffles, like oatmeal. I feel like I made so many different things and he would kind of pick at them. So maybe he's just not a morning person, like a morning eater, breakfast person. I am, so I just don't understand when people aren't. I feel like I wake up with like the biggest appetite. So anyway, I kind of want cereal. I just got cereal from the store yesterday and I never eat cereal for breakfast, so I'm kind of in the mood for it. I guess I'll give Nolan some, or see if he even wants any, I don't know. Oh my goodness, look at all the snow. Do you see it? No one's on my back. Do you see the snow? Whoa. It's snowing a lot now. Huh. Yeah, it's snow. Whoa. What you eating? Fruit snacks? Yum. I got him these, I think they're called Plum Organics teensy fruit snacks for toddlers, and he loves them. I put them in this little thing. It's actually like a stacking cup, but it works like a perfect little snack bowl. Yummy. Mmm. Alright, so I'm gonna throw all of our dinner in a crock pot, and then I'm going to get into my first trimester update because I'm now 16 weeks, so I really gotta do that update now. Alright, so on to the first trimester update. Also, happy Vlogmas. Have my little reindeers on, and we got our tree and our stockings. We are ready for Christmas. Well, not really Christmas, but the season. We are so excited. So starting from the very beginning, I'm not really gonna go over my symptoms that much because I have a whole video on my first trimester symptoms, and like, oh wait, no, that wasn't even first trimester. That was really just early symptoms, but I feel like it's not that much different from like, those were just what I felt early on, and then they kind of stuck throughout. So if you're interested in like my symptoms, you can watch that video. All right, I'll kind of just give the rundown. So today is, well, I'm 16 weeks now. So, all right, so right now it is the end of November, and at the beginning of November is when my first trimester ended, second started. So I found out I was pregnant. September 2nd / September 3rd. So I had like a super faint line on the 2nd, and then I did a digital on the 3rd. So like kind of knew on the 2nd, but like for sure knew the 3rd. When I called my doctor actually on September 2nd, or no, September 3rd, when I woke up, I took that test, the digital, said pregnant, and I was actually on my way to the beach that day. So while I was on the way, I called my endocrinologist and my doctor, like my OB, and told them both that I was pregnant, and they both wanted me to go get blood work to confirm. All right, so I blood work done actually a couple times because they wanted to see that it was like going up at like, I think it has to double every couple days. So I think I got blood work done like 3 times within like 2 weeks. I had an ultrasound when I was 7 weeks, and they thought I was 6 weeks in like 4 or 5 days, and I vlogged all this too. So I just had to get like 2 dating scans, so I went at 7 weeks and 9 weeks, and then I had an actual due date of May 16th, and then when I went in for my like normal like first visit, everything was good. There wasn't like much to that appointment. The biggest thing that I feel like I should talk about is my second appointment, which was like the longer one. I was there for I think 2.5 hours, and they do like all the exams, and they go over like your medical history, your family's like medical history, and just like everything with pregnancy. They just talk a lot. And it was actually at that visit that I brought up something that I had seen online, and I'm really glad I brought it up because I wasn't going to, because I thought it was kind of stupid, because I actually saw it on Facebook and I felt weird kind of just being like, I saw this on Facebook, but I'm glad I brought it up because it was super important. So if you don't know, I actually have an autoimmune disease for my thyroid, and it's like Hashimoto's, I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't even know, that's embarrassing that I have it and don't know how to pronounce it. But pretty much if you have an autoimmune disease, you can be high risk for preeclampsia. So I saw on Facebook somebody said that they were considered high risk because they had that, and I was like, wait a sec, I have that and I never heard anything about me being high risk. So I just mentioned it to them, and they like looked into my chart and they saw that, and they were like, yeah, but like, good thing you brought that up because you actually are high risk. Like, that's only like, I only have 1 risk factor. I know there's some people that have like multiple risk factors that puts them at like even a higher risk. So it's my only one, but I just have to take like baby aspirin every day for it, and apparently that like really helps. So I don't know much about it still. I wish I would have asked more questions, but I didn't even know like what to ask. I did not have this with my first pregnancy. I was diagnosed with this after, I think, when Nolan was around 7 months old. So I think that's just the biggest thing that I found out. We also found out the gender. That's, I guess, a pretty big thing. So I do have a gender reveal up, so if you want to watch that, then skip ahead, but it's a boy. I made a whole little video. Actually, I didn't make a whole video on it. It's in my Thanksgiving vlog. But so we found out actually at 7 weeks or 8 weeks or something like that through a blood test. I feel like there's not much to update on. This is like the worst first trimester update ever. All right, I think that's all for the little update portion of this video, because I've been filming for almost 20 minutes and I know that I did not give that many updates, so this is probably only gonna be like a 3-second clip. I don't know. cute. Dylan's not waiting. It's got a little Swedish flag on it. What did you do? Okay, do it again.
It's not, it's gone.
Do it. Do it. They had our bed, so we got it. And we got my grandmom cookies.
Yeah, but it was out of stock.
What? Yeah, it wasn't. This was the one that said it was out of stock. It said back in stock, then out of stock. So they had a bunch. I don't know why the lighting looks like that, but hopefully you can't see it. Anyway, this is the end of this vlog. Dylan and I are just gonna watch a show together and then go to bed. But Vlogmas day 1 is over, and tomorrow I think we're going to Christmas Village, so that'll be fun. Bye guys.